We are going to begin with a magic loop. That's our magic loop. And we are going to chain a multiple of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. That's a chain of 30 stitches. You can continue depending on the length of your project. And I'm going to chain 1 to be able to turn. Then I like beginning this pattern with a row of half double crochet stitches. So I'm going to make half double crochet stitches starting with a second row, like that. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all of them. That's the half double crochet stitch, and we are going to do that until we get to the end of our row. So far we have 29 half double crochet stitches, and we are going to make our 30th in our very first stitch. There. That's our row of 30 half double crochet stitches. So we are going to chain 1 and turn our work. Now on our second row, we are going to begin in this very first stitch that we have. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. So you have 3 loops on your hook. Now yarn over again, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. You must be having 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through. So you've done that 3 times. So you have 7 loops on your hook. Then yarn over and pull through all of them. And to close off our puff stitch, we yarn over and chain 1. Now we are going to skip this next stitch and we go to the next one and we do the same. Yarn over, pull through, you have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through, 5 loops, yarn over, pull through, 7 loops, yarn over, pull through all of them, yarn over, tie it off. Depending on how puffy you want your stitch to be, you can increase the number of times you go in. Instead of going 3 times, you can go in 5 times. So we do that again, yarn over, we skip 1, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, insert your hook the second time, pull through, yarn over, insert your hook the third time, yarn over, pull through all of them, and then we chain 1. Again, yarn over, skip 1, go to the next one, pull through the first time, yarn over, insert your hook, pull through the second time, yarn over, insert your hook, pull through the third time. We are going to keep doing that until we've come to the end of our row. So we've come to the end of our row. If we count our puff stitches that we have, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and I'm going to be making the very last one in the very last stitch, just there. I'll chain 1 and turn my work. So for this next row, I'm going to be starting with a half double crochet in this very first stitch. Just half double crochet. because now I'm going to be making the puff stitches in these spaces that I've made. So after making the half double crochet, I now make the puff stitch in the space. When you're making the puff stitch, make sure, like when you pull out, you pull all of them such that they are tight on the hook. Just make sure that they're even, and then you continue. You're going to keep doing that until you get to the end of the row. So I've come to the end of my second row, and when you count your puff stitches, you're going to realize that you have one less than the number that you began with. On the first row, you had 15 puff stitches, or half the number of your chains that you began with. On the second row, you're going to have one less, because remember we are working in the spaces, and then we are going to end by making a half double crochet on top of this last stitch such that we maintain our work straight. Just like that. Then we chain one, turn our work, and we begin again making puff stitches, starting from this very first. So you keep going like that until your project has reached the desired size. If you've not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and give us a like such that we continue producing work like this and sending it out to other people. Until next time, keep crocheting, and may the good Lord bless you.